So I hit next, and then I realized I couldn't hear myself. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the dramatic effect or drama effect using the BGC dramatic effect sound. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more tutorials like this. Let's get into it. Alright, so the problem that most people have, such as myself, let's go ahead and hit search, and when you look for BGC drama effect, pick a video.
You're going hard for an artist that doesn't even know you exist. Well, you keep crying about your father. He tries his best to forget that you exist. So what are you talking about? We in the same boat.
Parents be like, why you always in your room? Why you never come out and talk to us? You're not one of my little friends, remember? Call Barbara. Where Miss Shirley at?
Okay, so as you see, everything went smooth, but the problem that I had is I clicked on the sound on the bottom right and I hit use this sound, and I got ready to record the video, and so I recorded the video. My kids be talking about, why there ain't never no food in the house? Well, if you stop eating all the food, we would have food in the house. So I hit next, and then I realized I couldn't hear myself. Let's back out of there. And also, if you go to volume, you're likely seeing this where you can't adjust the original sound, and you're like, man, you know you have the mic feature, but it's not working. Start over. We don't want to use the sound in the effect. Now, it's already added to my favorites, so I'm going to unadd it, but you want to add it to your favorites, and you want to actually go to as if you're going to record a video first. You pretty much have to get the timing down. Hit the plus sign, get ready to record, and you want to keep it on 15 seconds because it is a short sound, and you want to record the video first. Make sure it's not too long in the beginning, you know, just a short and simple phrase. My kids be like, why there ain't never no food in the house? Well, if you stop eating all the food, we would have food in the house. This is when you go and add the sound. You already made it a favorite. Hit favorites, it's right there. My kids be like, why there ain't never no food in the house? Well, if you stop eating all the food, we would have food in the house. You hear that? Let's watch it again. My kids be like, why there ain't never no food in the house? Well, if you stop eating all the food, we would have food in the house. Now you can also go and adjust the volume. See the volume is there. You turn it down a little bit. Turn you up. My kids be like, why there ain't never no food in the house? Well, if you stop eating all the food, we would have food in the house. So that's pretty much that. Go ahead and do your titles, your hashtags, whatever you want to do. Record the video first. Save the sound in your favorites. Add the sound. Now, what I do want to show you, what if your timing is off? Go ahead and go to the sound. Right there. Well, if you stop eating all the food, we would have food in the house. So if you want to make it quicker, have it come in quicker. Why there ain't never no food in the house? Well, if you stop eating all the food, so you can make it quicker or come in later, but you want to have it hit right on point. Why there ain't never no food in the house? Well, if you stop eating all the food, we would have food in the house. And that's it. It's that simple. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. If you're going to try this effect, have you already tried it? And also, leave your TikTok username so I can check out your profile and hopefully give you a follow or comment and give you some feedback. All right, guys. See you on the next video.